Got some big breaking weather news up in Oklahoma.
10 minutes ago, we had 2 confirmed tornadoes on the ground, and I know of already 2 or 3 that have touched down up there, so this is becoming quite an outbreak today. Here's some video just in from northern Oklahoma. This is near the community of Brahman, one of the tornadoes that touched down. Now, that looks like a very weak one right there, probably an F0 or F1 tornado, but there was at least one report of a very large multi-vortex tornado that had touched down that storm chasers were following. Damage, debris was reported flying in the air with that tornado, so we hope that there are no injuries or anyone in the path of that storm, but we do know that there have been reports of damage, hail the size of grapefruits, knocking out a bunch of windows in one town. I can't remember the name of the town right offhand, but I know some of that hit one of the storm chaser vehicles and knocked every window out in one of the vehicles this afternoon, too. Let me show you what's going on here live. We had the storm chaser video live momentarily. We've lost the scene. If we get that back, we'll bring that to you right away. So let's go right to the radar. And on the radar right now, you can see what's happening here, the outbreak of tornadoes, or tornado-producing thunderstorms, I should say, across Oklahoma. And just issued now a new tornado watch that includes parts of west central Texas, and this is only one county outside of our northern viewing area. There's San Saba County right there, not included. But just north of our hill country, tornado watch has been issued. It'll be in effect until 11 o'clock tonight and extends on northward up into Oklahoma. Now let's move a little bit northward up this tornado watch box, and you can see in Wichita Falls, severe thunderstorms right now. No tornado warning with that yet. The tornado warning right now for Oklahoma City continues in effect. Just a few minutes ago, as we were reporting a tornado on the ground just outside of Yukon, Oklahoma, which is a little suburb on the western, not so little anymore, but a suburb on the west side of Oklahoma City. And boy, this is bad news. See that area goes from purple and now black right there? That is very likely very large hail that it looks like is going to be falling right over a big chunk of South Oklahoma City. I bet we see more reports of some significant damage in there, and hopefully the tornado has lifted because it's now moving into a heavily populated area there of central Oklahoma. And the video you saw a moment ago was off of this thunderstorm that's produced a tornado. So has this one, and there's another tornado warning up there around Wichita, Kansas right now. It is just a wild day up there, but all the ingredients in the atmosphere coming together perfectly, and hours in advance, the Storm Prediction Center able to see this coming together and issuing that high-risk outlook for Oklahoma, putting everyone on alert, and every storm chaser in the country is zeroed in on that right now. So we're going to have lots of video coming in, if not at 6, by 9, 10 o'clock tonight and tomorrow, of probably multiple tornadoes that have touched down up there today. Well, fortunately, we're in a more stable pattern right now, and while we could use the rain, we're only getting clouds as a result. 85 degrees our current temperature. Let's check some readings out here in the hill country where temperatures right now are in the 80s also. 88 in Llano, the warm spot, 84 in Burnet, 85 degrees in Marble Falls. Here around the metro area, temperatures 85 to 87 degrees. And in our eastern counties, temperatures also about 84 to 87. Right now in the city, it's mostly cloudy and 85. It's 87 degrees and mostly cloudy at the airport. Winds are south. They've been gusty. We saw a wind gust up in Georgetown, 46 miles per hour this afternoon. Mole count high, trees and grass low today. Around the state, very, very warm, clashing with the cooler air coming down from the north, and that's where we're seeing the big severe weather outbreak. Now, you can see the thunderstorms firing up there. The main storm system, though, lifting out of the Rockies into the plains. So we don't have enough energy in the atmosphere to generate those thunderstorms and rain down in our area. Now, later in the week, one of these troughs is going to send a cold front down into our area. It's going to become stationary. And then we're going to get some energy coming in from the west. So I bet we end up getting some rain and maybe some thunderstorms out of this sometime in the Thursday to Sunday time frame, the way it looks right now. Let's take a look at the immediate future. And it doesn't look like much for us. So our computer model tries to occasionally generate a little shower out here, but it's having a hard time getting through the cap in the atmosphere, and so we don't think we're going to see much in the way of rain around here for the next couple of days. Tonight's lows, 70s, very warm, very muggy tonight, and then tomorrow should be even warmer than today. I think we're back into the low 90s. Tonight, clouds, for the most part anyway, 72 the low. Let's go 92 tomorrow. We'll see a little more sunshine tomorrow probably than we saw today, and it'll be a little hotter as a result, 92. On Wednesday, 92. On Thursday, still into the low 90s. We begin to see some rain in the picture on Thursday, and then a slightly better chance of rain from Friday. Right now, it looks like through the weekend, and we may have to up those probabilities as this situation unfolds. We'll keep you posted.
Thank you, Jim.